Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to paint basic lighting to images. Click the subscribe button. If you're using Photoshop or CorelDRAW on PC, you will need a graphics tablet, but you can still try it out with your mouse or trackpad. If you're on your Android tablet or phone, you can use Picsart or Sketchbook, so I'm using Picsart for this. Firstly, create an overlay. Scale it to fit your canvas. Change the color to green or any color you'd like to work on. Now select the eraser tool, increase the opacity and hardness, then erase the green overlay completely. Zoom in so you won't miss the little details. Click the restore option so you can start restoring the green color in the areas you want it. Here's the tricky part. You need your lighting to be soft, not hard. To achieve that, you need to reduce the size, the opacity, and hardness. Then start painting by swiping on the areas you want to paint. Start from the edges. Now pay attention to my workflow. Reduce the size to 2 or 1 and increase the opacity and hardness to highlight the edges of your subject. Now create another overlay and change the color to black. We are going to add depth and details to the subject. Select the green overlay and let's play with the blending options by clicking the blend button below. Tap each of the blending options to see the difference. Now pay attention to the green lighting we just painted.